In front of me is Google Pixel 10 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder. First, you need to open Recorder app that's already on your Google Pixel and hit allow in all pop-ups. Then use red button at the bottom to start recording. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use left button. To switch, you can click on one of those icons here, and this way hide or see transcript. If you want to change your language, tap on auto detecting and tap on yours. When you finished, you can either discard your recording fully by tapping on this bean at the top right corner or hit stop at the bottom right one, like that. Now, to play it, click on it. Start recording. To manage it, use those options at the top right corner, like for example this pen to rename it. And to get rid of it, make sure to hit delete. You can also do that by holding it on the list and then selecting multiple or just one to tap on the same three dots and then choose delete in tiny section at the bottom. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!